traders, want to shoot some hoops? Well, this week has been pretty interesting with some pretty big surprises, such as the Fed's decision to taper. Now, I thought Ben Bernanke wanted to leave with a bang, but what about you? Did you put your money on the US dollar and get a slam dunk? Now, the dollar rose against most currencies yesterday, supported by a rise in US Treasury yields on the back of the Fed news. Tapering this week has been the hot topic of discussion on our FX blog, so make sure you read them and share your views. Ali Fari from Pakistan said in his blog post, "Yesterday's taper announcement by the Fed was no doubt a significant change of course in US monetary policy and should in the long run prove positive for the dollar, assuming US growth remains on track. However, maintaining a resolutely dovish bias towards rates and by stressing their concern over disinflation, the Fed muted the impact of their actions on the FX market and limited the downside in euro dollar and pound dollar for the time being. He said stops amended on all his trades and he is guaranteed to bank around 140k profit. So, well done." Now, looking at the most successful traders of last week, well done to Traveller from Prague who traded with the euro dollar, Mary 970 with the pound dollar and Conductor with the pound yen. Also, congratulations to the most precise forecast makers from last week, Eco, Loan 21 and Suguyint. And for this week's latest release of the Dukascopy community forecast, the Dukascopy research team decided to challenge the community members by asking their forecasts on more exotic currency pairs. So they looked at the dollar yen, Aussie dollar and Kiwi dollar. So make sure you take a look. Traders, anyone for a game of poker? Well, remember, we have daily and weekly poker tournaments. And if you want to share a prize of $3,500 US, make sure you take part in the Grand Prix tournament. And for those participating in the strategy contest, starting from January, the rules of strategy contest will be changed. So make sure you take a look at them in the community news section. And don't forget, Miss Dukascopy participants, to post your Christmas wishes before the 31st if you would like to win a MacBook Air, iPad or iPhone 5. Ladies, it is the holiday season, so do something special. Bring some magic to the Miss Dukascopy page. And speaking of magic, there was definitely magic in the air at the Christmas Geneva Forex event, so check out that video. Now, I will be back on the 27th, traders, but in the meantime, have a great Christmas, eat some turkey, relax, and see you when I return.